Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Shoko, your host, and we have a returning guest with us today, Dave, an AI online money-making researcher who's been helping us explore various ways to make money online. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the best way to make money as a Forex trader for beginners. Dave, it's great to have you back.
Thank you, Shoko. It's always a pleasure to be here and share valuable insights with our viewers.
Fantastic. Now, before we dive into the best strategies for beginners in Forex trading, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, and you don't want to miss it. So, let's get started. But before we proceed, a quick disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Forex trading carries significant risks, and it's essential to understand that you can lose money as well. Always do your research and consult a financial advisor if needed before engaging in any trading activities. Now, Dave, let's start by explaining what Forex trading is for our viewers who might be new to this.
Of course, Shoko. Forex trading stands for foreign exchange trading, and it involves buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market. It's the largest financial market globally, with a daily trading volume exceeding $5 trillion. Essentially, you're making a profit by speculating on the price movements of currency pairs.
Excellent, Dave. Now, let's move on to some practical tips for beginners who want to start Forex trading. What should they keep in mind?
Here are some essential tips for beginners. 1. Learn the basics. Start by understanding how exchange rates work, what factors influence currency prices, and the various Forex trading strategies. You can find plenty of resources online and in libraries to help you grasp the fundamentals. 2. Open a demo account. Before risking real money, open a demo account to practice trading with virtual money. It's an excellent way to get familiar with different strategies and the trading platform itself. 3. Develop a trading plan. Outline your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategy in a trading plan. Stick to your plan even when the market is challenging. 4. Use risk management. Never risk more money than you can afford to lose in a single trade. Implement stop loss and take profit orders to limit your losses and secure profits. 5. Be patient and disciplined. Forex trading is a long-term endeavor. Don't expect instant riches. Practice and patience are key to becoming a successful trader.
Those are excellent tips, Dave. Do you have any additional advice for our viewers?
Absolutely, Shoko. Here are some extra tips. Start with a small account. Begin with a small account size and increase it as you gain more experience. Don't trade on emotions. Always base your decisions on your trading plan, not emotions. Avoid overtrading. It's better to make a few well-thought-out trades than many impulsive ones. Keep a trading journal. Maintain a journal to track your progress and identify areas for improvement.
Those are valuable insights, Dave. Now, let's address a common question: how much can someone make trading Forex per day? I know this varies, but can you give us a rough idea?
Certainly, Shoko. The earning potential in Forex trading depends on several factors. Experience plays a significant role. Beginners may make around $50 to $100 per day, while experienced traders can earn $500 to $1,000 or more daily. However, experience alone isn't enough. Traders need a solid strategy.
Speaking of strategy, let's delve into that a bit more. What role does a trading strategy play in determining daily earnings?
A trading strategy is crucial, Shoko. It's a set of rules that guide when to enter or exit a trade. A good strategy relies on technical analysis, market trends, and risk management. A profitable strategy can earn traders $100 to $500 per day, depending on market conditions and risk tolerance.
Risk management is vital in Forex trading. Can you explain how effective risk management techniques can impact daily earnings?
Absolutely. Risk management includes setting stop-loss orders, using leverage wisely, and diversifying your portfolio. A trader who manages risks well can make more per day. For instance, a trader risking 2% of their account per trade and making 5 trades a day can make $100 daily with a $5,000 account. Contrastingly, a trader risking 10% per trade with the same number of trades can lose $500 daily with the same account balance.
Market volatility is another factor. Could you elaborate on how it influences daily earnings?
Certainly, Shoko. Market volatility measures price fluctuations. In a volatile market, traders can make more per day than in a stable one. For example, a trader in a volatile market may make $1,000 daily, while one in a stable market may earn $100. However, trading in a volatile market can also lead to significant losses without a solid strategy and risk management.
Thank you for breaking that down, Dave. Earning potential in Forex trading varies based on experience, strategy, risk management, and market volatility. Beginners can start with modest earnings and work their way up. Always remember that Forex trading is risky, and caution is essential. Now, let's touch on an important question. How much is needed to start Forex trading?
The minimum amount to start trading Forex depends on what you can afford and your goals. Some brokers allow trading with as little as $10, while others may require $1,000 or more. Your trading style, goals, and risk tolerance should guide your decision.
Are there any broker-imposed limitations that beginners should be aware of?
Yes, Shoko. Different brokers have various minimum deposit requirements and leverage options. It's essential to choose a reputable broker that aligns with your trading goals.
Dave, I've heard about funded accounts. Can you tell our viewers more about them?
Absolutely. Some trading firms offer funded accounts where traders are provided with a certain amount of company funds to start trading. For instance, you may receive $15,000 of company funds to start trading, eliminating the need for a large initial deposit.
That sounds like an excellent opportunity. Now, let's talk about strategies for trading with different amounts, say $10, $100, or $1,000.
Certainly, Shoko. Trading with a limited budget like $10 or $100 means you'll need to focus on micro or nano lots and select strategies with minimal risk. With $1,000, you have more flexibility and can consider standard lots. Regardless of your budget, risk management remains crucial.
Thank you, Dave, for all that valuable information. Now, let's dig a bit deeper into the emotional aspect of Forex trading. Trading can be emotionally challenging. How can beginners manage their emotions when dealing with potential losses or gains?
That's a crucial aspect, Shoko. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment. Beginners should stick to their trading plan, use stop-loss orders to limit losses, and avoid overtrading. Remember, it's essential to keep emotions in check and make decisions based on analysis rather than feelings.
Wise advice, Dave. Now, let's discuss time commitment. How much time should beginners expect to dedicate to Forex trading daily or weekly?
The time commitment can vary, Shoko. Some traders actively monitor the market throughout the day, while others prefer swing trading, which requires less time. As a beginner, it's a good idea to start with a few hours daily for learning and practice. Then, adjust your schedule based on your preferred trading style.
That's a good point, Dave. Now, let's talk about the importance of staying updated with global events. How do economic and geopolitical events impact Forex trading, and how can beginners keep track of these events?
Economic and geopolitical events can significantly affect currency prices. Beginners should follow financial news, especially events related to the countries whose currencies they trade. Many brokers provide economic calendars that highlight important events. Staying informed helps traders make informed decisions.
Great advice, Dave. Let's move on to leverage. How does leverage work in Forex trading, and what should beginners be aware of regarding leverage?
Leverage allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. While it can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses. Beginners should use leverage cautiously, especially when starting. It's vital to understand the risks and choose an appropriate leverage level based on your risk tolerance.
Thank you for explaining that, Dave. Now, let's discuss trading psychology. How can beginners develop the right mindset for successful Forex trading?
Developing the right mindset is crucial, Shoko. Begin with realistic expectations, knowing that losses are part of the learning process. Focus on continuous learning and discipline. Avoid chasing quick profits and prioritize long-term success. Building a strong mental game takes time but pays off in the long run.
Wise words, Dave. Is it a good idea for beginners to trade multiple currency pairs simultaneously, or should they start with just one pair?
Beginners often find it easier to focus on a single currency pair, as it allows for a deeper understanding of its movements. Once they gain experience, they can consider diversifying their portfolio to spread risk. However, it's essential to avoid trading too many pairs at once, as it can be overwhelming and lead to poor decision-making.
Great advice, Dave. Can you recommend any educational resources for our viewers who want to dive deeper into Forex trading?
There are plenty of online resources, including courses, forums, and books. Some reputable websites like Investopedia, BabyPips, and DailyFX offer extensive educational content. Additionally, consider joining trading communities to learn from experienced traders.
We're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading with our go-to expert, Dave. If you're just joining us, you've already missed some fantastic insights, so make sure to hit that rewind button later. Dave, let's keep the momentum going. Our viewers are hungry for more knowledge.
Absolutely, Shoko. I'm here to serve up some engaging insights on Forex trading. Fire away with your next question.
Buckle up, viewers, because we're about to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind. Can anyone become a successful Forex trader, or is it only for a select few?
Great question. The truth is, anyone with the dedication to learn and the discipline to follow a plan can become a successful Forex trader. It's not reserved for a select few. Success depends more on your strategy and mindset than any special qualifications.
Love that answer, Dave. So, let's dive into strategy a bit more. Viewers, if you're wondering, how do I choose the right trading strategy for myself? Dave's got you covered.
Choosing the right strategy is like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It has to fit you well. Start by understanding your risk tolerance, available time, and preferred trading style, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Your strategy should align with your personality and goals.
Fantastic advice, Dave. Now, let's take a detour into the world of technology. Viewers often ask, what tools and software do I need to get started with Forex trading?
Technology is a Forex trader's best friend. You'll need a reliable computer, a stable internet connection, and a trading platform offered by a reputable broker. Most brokers provide free charting tools and analysis software, which are essential for your trading journey.
Technology and tools are the building blocks, indeed. But here's a thought, can someone with a full-time job trade Forex successfully?
Absolutely, Shoko. Many traders balance a full-time job with Forex trading. The key is effective time management. You might opt for longer-term strategies that require less screen time during work hours and focus on trading during your free time, or when the markets align with your schedule.
Great to know that it's achievable for busy folks too. Now, viewers often wonder about this. Are there any telltale signs that I might be overtrading, and how can I avoid it?
Overtrading is a common pitfall. Signs include excessive trading frequency, emotional decisions, and chasing losses. To avoid it, stick to your trading plan, set clear entry and exit points, and limit the number of trades you take per day. Quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity, indeed. Now, let's talk about patience. How long does it typically take for a beginner to start seeing consistent profits in Forex trading?
Patience is key in Forex trading. It varies from person to person, but beginners can start seeing consistent profits in 6 months to a year with the right education, practice, and discipline. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Wise words, Dave. And speaking of patience, here's a juicy one. Can you share a personal anecdote about a time when your patience paid off in Forex trading?
Patience is a virtue in trading, indeed. I remember a trade where I stuck to my plan despite the market initially moving against me. I stayed patient, and eventually, the trade turned profitable. It taught me the importance of discipline and not panicking when things don't go your way immediately.
Real-life lessons are the best lessons. Now, let's tackle a question about the wild beast of Forex. How do major currency pairs differ from exotic ones, and should beginners focus on one over the other?
Major currency pairs involve the world's most traded currencies, like euro to US dollar. Exotic pairs, on the other hand, include less common currencies. Beginners often start with major pairs because they're more liquid and less volatile. It's a great way to build experience before venturing into exotic pairs.
Fantastic insights, Dave. Now, let's wrap up with a question about dreams. What's the biggest success story you've come across in Forex trading, and what can we learn from it?
I've seen traders turn small investments into life-changing profits. The common thread in their stories is discipline, continuous learning, and effective risk management. They remind us that success is achievable with the right mindset and strategy.
Truly inspiring, Dave. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and experiences with us today. And to our viewers, if you're as excited as we are about Forex trading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engaging content. Dave's got a treasure trove of knowledge to share in future episodes. Before we wrap up, can you give our viewers a sneak peek of what they can expect from your upcoming content?
Absolutely, Shoko. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore advanced Forex trading strategies, how to use technical and fundamental analysis effectively, and tips for trading during economic events. Stay tuned for more valuable insights.
There you have it, folks. Dave has given us some fantastic insights into Forex trading for beginners. Remember to do your research, start with a demo account, and focus on risk management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!